My name is Jamal Tako, and I am chairman of Pakistan AWAMI and Paim. You people have to listen very carefully what I'm going to say now. This is what we think, we two brothers, and I think that whatever we say before, it was exactly what's happening in Pakistan. So I'm going to read something which you have to put in your mind and heart. This is what's going on in Pakistan, or will become like this. So I'm going to start reading. So you have to be very careful and listen very carefully, right? Pakistan is heading towards civil war. What we see about Pakistan from here is a country in the hands of incompetents. Not from today, but for the last several years. A country fighting for its survival. A country which is made worse than a prostitute. Different people come, enjoy, and leave. This is exactly what is happening with Pakistan. None become serious with her. None work long terms on any project. Every day a new damage. Every day a new sink. Every day a new collapse in all the fields. Every day a new disgrace. Every day a new route to find aid and help. Every day government treasury is empty. Every day a new crisis. Every day a new burst of blast. Every day extremist new attempt to damage Pakistan. Every day a new attack on different city by terrorists. This all is because none responsible for weakening of Pakistan are upper-handed. This is the reason none have no fear of any kind of accountability whatsoever. All those who are completely responsible, all the crises are converted and backed by different criminal and corrupt forces. Today, crises are commuted and prevailed into the roots of Pakistan. Crises are not the problem. The real problem is the people don't want to learn for the hard lesson given to them by the all-time rulers. All those lessons of betrayal and dictate, breaking nation trust, looking the country and done nothing on solid grounds. Today, country is in real jeopardy, but none want to accept and inhale the facts and don't want to openly point out about the real culprits and responsibles who had been destroying Pakistan economy, morally, and in general. Well, that is politics, but in revolution all the culprits and the responsible elements are brought to the real punishments. Once, only once. Punishment, example, if are set there for coming. So many years people will fear of be punishmented and they will avoid damaging the country in collective or in the personal single capacity. I, Jamatako, assure you and affirm that whoever comes into the power or the present regime, none will be able to pull the nation out of all the crises. None have the competency. I repeat, none have the competency to fight back all the crises with the same bureaucracy, establishment, and the administration who had been working for all the previous regime. No government will be able to do anything new with the same junk. Here I would say the whole system and structure of society and the country needs to get back downside up change. System which is gone upside down. Here I would ask the Pakistan military that they must stop covering Imran Khan, etc., and must show their responsibilities towards the nation and patriotism towards the country by allowing accountability of Zardari, Chaudhry, Shaukat Aziz, etc., and other culprits, politicians who had been in power before twice and thrice, along with all establishment of their regimes. I, Jamal Tako, and President Agha Sayyid are the best solution for the Pakistan. I hope so. You listen my speech very carefully, and if you missed anything, you can repeat, you can see again, and do understand there is only one solution to solve the problem of Pakistan and to give a stand to the Pakistan, and that regime is Pakistan AWAMI INQLAB Paim and their leadership, Chairman Jamal Tako and President Agha Sayyid. This is the only solution you have left. So you people of the Pakistan, do understand what we said. watch us, follow us, and bring a new established Pakistan with us, with revolution, red revolution, a revolution of Pakistan AWAMI INQLAB movement Paim. I am addressing you from France, 2018. This should be a record for the future, my speech. Thank you very much. God bless you all and save the soil of Pakistan. See you later. Assalamu alaikum.